Hello everyone, I'm Mallika Jolly, a professional makeup artist. Today's video is on one of my favorite topics, makeup products with multiple uses. Just the sound of being able to use a single product in a number of ways is super exciting. The next few tricks will be very helpful as I'll be telling you a few products that you can use in multiple ways. For example, how you can quickly transform your eyes, lips and cheeks with just one single product that you can carry in your bag with you all the time. So let's start with the first super basic trick. Making the most of your lipstick, and I will be using the MAC matte lipstick in the shade Meher. Apart from using it on the lips, our mothers have used it numerous times on us as kids as a quick fix on the cheeks as a blusher, and now it is a trend. Apply a tiny dab of lipstick to the apple of your cheeks, then pat it in using your fingertips. This will give a natural flush of color. Lipsticks can also be used all over the eyelids as an eyeshadow. Use a soft peach pink or nude brown shade for a natural everyday look. Choose a matte lipstick for longer lasting results. You could also use frosted shiny lipsticks in nude shades as a highlighter using the same application technique. The next product with multiple uses is an eye pencil. I'll be using the Bolly Glow Duo Eye Pencil, which has a black and a brown end. The black end is classically used as a kajal and eyeliner, but it can also be used to create a dark smoky eye. On the other hand, the brown end can be used to create a soft smoky eye, to enhance the lower lash line, or to fill in your brows. The brown end can also be used for contouring your face. You need to apply in small dots and blend. The third product with versatile uses is a highlighter. I have the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter here with me. Apply the highlighter on the cheekbones, brow bones, nose, cupid bow, and also on the collarbones. A separate eyeshadow palette is not always easy to carry. The highlighter can be used on the eyelids as well as on the inner corners of the eye. Using a highlighter on your lips can make them appear bigger and fuller. Apply a dab in the center of the lips and then blend. You can mix a liquid highlighter with your moisturizer or foundation to give a natural glow effect. I love how I just completed this look using only 3 makeup products. I use these tricks very often and they are a part of my regular makeup routine. Hope you find them useful too. Until then, stay smart, stay beautiful.